So after waiting overnight, I kept it in a plastic bag overnight, and now I can kind of tell that the clay, while still cold, is not the squishy mushiness that it was when I was working on it last night. It's taken a little bit of time to lose some of that moisture, and it's sitting, and I've really taken my time to kind of clean up these edges with my fingers, and I've smoothed it out. And I know now it's ready to come off of this mold because it's firm enough that it's all being held together. It's not mushy, it's not peeling away, it's not plastic anymore. So I'm going to really gently take it off. And I'm going to do that by flipping it over and setting it down and kind of just wiggling this out. And it doesn't stick to the plaster, remember. So now I can see all of my designs that I worked on. I took all of that clay and it's gotten a little squished, but I think that the design is still really evident and all of those pieces have been squished together and we have this really nice dish with a pattern on it. Now, I can keep using the mold if I'd like to, but if this clay continues to dry out, it will shrink. What happens to something when it's on a form and it's shrinking? It will crack and dry around it. So we can only keep it on the mold as long as it is staying moist. Otherwise, cracks will start to appear in the sides. Now is the great time to add our foot and put on details on the rim or any of those other elements that you're planning on. Now that we've taken it off, we've been able to see that it can hold up strong. We've edited that rim a little bit. It's okay that there's tiny bits of plaster. That'll be okay. And you can see our finished bowl.